Let's make some vegan chili outdoors. Boil your pre-soaked and cleaned red beans with a little bit of olive oil. Put a lid on it. Next, we're going to grind our walnuts. Season them with browning seasoning, liquid smoke, and liquid aminos. Stir your mix up. Next, you're going to add a can of tomatoes to your beans, and you're also going to add your walnuts. Next, you're going to add all of your onion, bell pepper, garlic, green onion, parsley, all of those goodies into your beans and allow it to simmer. Vegan chili. Carrot dog. Throw some cheese on that.